Maybe Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is breaking you down so hard, so dark, so deep, so that you have nothing left to rely upon Him, because He loves you. Because He loves you and He cares about you, and He wants you to turn to Him. He wants you to turn to Him. He wants you to have nobody else to depend on but Him. Maybe He's removed every friend from your life. Maybe He's removed family from your life. Maybe He surrounded you with loneliness. He surrounded you with difficulty. He surrounded you with hardship to remind you that He loves you and He doesn't want you to depend on anyone but Him subhanahu wa ta'ala. We will not give up. We will not give up. We will not give in. We will not surrender. We will not fold. We will not crumble. We will stand tall, insha'Allah ta'ala. In this life we will stand tall. In this life we will keep our head up. In this life we will smile in the darkness. In this life we will smile in the difficulty. In this life we will smile through every trial that faces us, because we have Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And then insha'Allah ta'ala, if we die with faith, if we die with iman, if we die with la ilaha illallah in our heart, on the day of judgment we will receive our deeds in our right hand. We will receive our scroll in our right hand. And as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, that on that day we will say to people, look at my book, look at my record, look at my scroll, look at because of what I did, look at the faith that I had, because I held on, because I did not give up, because I stood tall against every struggle, and I never lost my hope and faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.